Screen Studio versus Loom, which recording tool wins? Choosing the right recording tool can completely change how you capture and share your screen without complicated setups. Screen Studio and Loom both offer unique features for video creation and sharing. Screen Studio and Loom are popular screen recording tools designed to simplify video creation. The core difference lies in Screen Studio's focus on high-quality, customizable recordings versus Loom's emphasis on quick sharing and collaboration features. Screen Studio is a powerful screen recording software designed for creators who need detailed control over their video content. It works by capturing your screen with options to customize resolution, frame rate, and audio inputs, allowing for professional-grade recordings. Its strengths include a clean interface, advanced editing tools, and support for multiple video formats. However, it requires a bit more setup time compared to simpler tools, which might slow down users who want instant recording. Screen Studio is ideal for content creators, educators, and professionals who prioritize video quality and customization, especially when preparing tutorials or presentations that need polish and precision. While it may not have the instant sharing features of some competitors, its focus on quality makes it a top choice for detailed projects. Loom is a widely used screen recording platform that emphasizes speed and ease of sharing. It captures your screen, webcam, and microphone simultaneously, then immediately uploads the video to the cloud for easy access and sharing. Loom's main strengths are its seamless integration with browsers and apps, instant video sharing via links, and collaboration tools such as viewer reactions and comments. Its limitations include fewer advanced editing options and less control over recording settings compared to more specialized software. Loom suits professionals and teams who need to communicate quickly through video, such as remote workers, customer support, and marketing teams. Its cloud-based approach ensures videos are accessible anywhere without manual uploads, making it perfect for fast-paced environments where sharing is a priority. Screen Studio and Loom serve different user needs. Screen Studio excels when video quality and customization are crucial, such as for detailed tutorials or polished presentations. It requires more setup but rewards users with professional results. Loom shines in scenarios where speed and collaboration matter most, offering instant sharing and interactive features. For example, a remote team member can quickly record a walkthrough in Loom and share it immediately, while a content creator might prefer Screen Studio for a high-resolution tutorial video. The trade-off is between advanced control and ease of use. Screen Studio demands more time but delivers high quality, whereas Loom prioritizes convenience and teamwork with cloud-based sharing. Choose Screen Studio if you need detailed control and high-quality recordings for professional tutorials, presentations, or content that demands polish and precision. Loom is the best option for fast, easy screen recording with instant sharing and collaboration features, ideal for teams and quick communication. Both tools excel in their areas, so pick the one that fits your workflow and video goals best.